Hey guys, it's Beastborn Part 3. Um, we're just gonna be chilling today, doing some stuff. Yeah, let me know, in the comments if you want to see me, um, make this a series. This is part 3. Yeah, this is part 3. um, so, like apparently part 3 is just the hardest part for me because apparently sometimes I upload the wrong video and also sometimes the video's too long, and also I updated my avatar. I feel like that top head was just too much, so now it's this. And hold on, I obviously am a main face, and I mean, in my opinion, it's a pretty funny face and it's used for memes, but that's my opinion. You don't have to have the same. I'm gonna try and show you that I have it. Yeah, see? Oh no. See? I mean, you can kind of see the eye right there. But, oh, here! See the mouth? That's what I'm doing right now. Um, also, I've been trying to get an ace badge. You wanna know why? Well, probably know why, but here, I'm still gonna show you why. I will show that. Okay, okay, never mind. I'll just do that after the video. See in here, you can clearly see that star jelly, right? You can clearly see it. So you need an ace badge, and I am very close to an ace badge. I think it comes after hot shot. If it doesn't, then I'm screwed. Wait, there's glue. Crud. I got glue. So we just chilling. She keeps calling, and everything going on. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get copyright. So that's fun, Being copyright is so fun, right guys? It's so fun. What you mean, guys? It's so fun. Blue pollen, pineapple field, and clover. Oh, I'm so big brain. That was a legit. Okay. I'm gonna make some poonie for some moony. Okay, guys. So, and also, should I do hashtag BSwarm and hashtag Roblox and that stuff? Because if I do, this video is probably gonna get more views, and the more views you get, the more views. Wait, no, the more views you get, the better. And my goal is for the by New Year, my goal is to get 100 views on one single video. That's my only goal for this year. And we get we get about 10 views on average. So, no, not even 100, just 15. Oh, wait, no, not 15. 50 would be nice. I'd be super happy. Who's calling me? Oh, no. I'm not gonna join that call. I do not care. RIP to my friends if they're watching this. I do not care. So yeah. It'd be nice to get some more views. Maybe even some more subs. I mean, the subs I have are mainly just my friends and stuff. It would be really cool to get more subs too, though. I mean, but that is kind of up to you guys, because that's your thing. You need to subscribe. It's not up to me. Because whenever I watch my videos, it doesn't count. So, yeah, that's fun. And also, guys, like I know it's not that hard, but like maybe you can subscribe on like a different account. Maybe so like go to any account like you have and subscribe to me on that account. I know it'd be harder since I'm a smaller YouTuber, like only with 20 subs, but that's still a possibility. Like you could do that. And like anytime I'm doing something, I'll probably link it in the description. So like interesting. So I'd probably like anytime I say it like introduce someone or say a link, I'd probably do it in the description, not the title. The description is the description. So just so you know, that's anytime. Cause yeah. And if you cannot tell, I'm on PC, obviously. But no, well, not PC. I'm kind of on a laptop. Not really PC because I'm too poor to afford one. Like I legit only have like 4 cents or so. But once I empty out my bank, I should have like a bit more. So why am I talking to you about financial problems? No. Oh, do not watch that video because if you do, it's kind of You know what? Just never mind. Why am I checking my Discord notifications? Who is this man? Sir Oleado. Well, hello there. I hear Vicious Bee. Where is it? Isn't it usually in a pineapple field? That it? No, that's just a gate. So, yeah. I'm just chilling, really. Is it just me? Or do you hear that, guys? Do you hear that too, guys? I hear like the Vicious Bee. But I do not see it anywhere. So, man. Okay, so. And a fall, yeah. Chicken noodle soup, yeah, yeah, yeah. Chicken noodle soup, yeah, yeah, yeah. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup, yeah, yeah, yeah. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Soup. No, chicken noodle soup. Sorry. Did you also know that this honeybee will be here? This honeybee's here? Wait. How? Oh, 2 times convert rate by honeybees honey hunt. 2,000 honey tuckings. I did not mean honey tuckings. Tokens. Finish with. I need to defeat 15 scorpions. The only place the scorpions spawn is right here. Why would this be here? It doesn't lead to anything. Why would it be here? Oh, scorpions. I want to see if this trick actually works. Oh, wait. Does it actually work? Oh my god! It legit does work. Come on, dude. Just respawn. So, I'm just chilling. So, how's your day going? Put it in the comments. And I think I know who's going to be watching this. Because the only person that watches this is my friend. So, shout out to you. I don't want to say your name because I would literally kind of expose you. But shout out to you. You are having a shout out. Oh my gosh! So this is what you do when overpowered people are in the server. This is what you gotta do, okay? So like you could just do this. Oh my. Oh my. What? This is so much. Oh, and there's one right here. Let's go. I need some strawberries. And all of them. Is that a vicious bee? Or was that his vicious bee? Probably his. Oh my dude. This is so much. I'm gonna get. I do not like us. He's a Oh yes. Oh my farts. There is so much royal jellies and stuff. But he's getting them all because he's a meanie, so. It's, so, honey's a bit rough for me right now. Wanna know why, guys? So the thing is, see, I got a lot of bees, but this guy's more. And the only way you can get more slots, like if you fill up this, you're kind of screwed. This guy is just wow. Like, that's just really hard. Because the only way you can get more slots, or that I know of, is to go to the mountainy area, right? And then we have to go into here. And as you can see, this, it's a bit trustworthy. So, hive slot. Increase the capacity of your hive to allow you to hatch an additional bee. But the problem with this is, you see, it's 14 million honey. And when I buy it again, it's probably going to be 28 million honey. And I do not have the tools for that. First off. Second off, second off, just look at how much this stuff costs. 15 million for boots. And then for the bag, 250 like I cannot afford this. Maybe to craft it, but yeah, like it's just really hard, and I need 15 million, a lot, like a whole lot of honey for this, and I almost have none. So nope. But if this video gets taken down, you know why? Cause if you've seen it, my Discord friends, they're just so annoying. Probably see. Do you see what I mean? What is that? Is that a mask? That's a mask. Hold on. How do you? Because those do not look trustworthy. Wait. See, you can't even jump on them. Hold on, let me try at night. Tell me some more, Frodo. Absolute lore. Oh my. You know what? I'm just gonna ignore that. So if you guys can hear that, that's the sound of Discord. And I'm probably just gonna go, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Okay, guys, so have a great day. Goodbye. Do 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 do.